So you have the art that came from the video. So you have the video treatment. You have the art from that. What other assets do you need for a release?
So then you start looking at what assets might be specific to certain platforms, right?
Okay.
So Apple does Swipe Up Saturdays, where you pitch it. It's basically they support projects on socials on Saturdays. So day after the official release day. And it's on Instagram stories. So it's a swipe up video. So artists can make a video and submit it to get featured.
So on Apple Music's Instagram account?
Apple Music's
and
Instagram.
they'll feature some videos, like little 15-second clips, swipe up to the Apple Music streaming. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'll either be to the song,
Cool.
the video, if the video is available on Apple Music. And so, those type of assets, we start gathering them weeks in advance. If we know we have Steve and Maluma at a shoot together, we do it. We crank everything out. We do photos. We do all of the type of assets that we need for the different DSPs, all of, liners, quotes, all of that kind of stuff. We'll do it when we know we have them for a few hours.
Yeah.
So we'll take it during their downtime. So, for example, we have the Apple Swipe Up Saturdays. SoundCloud is now doing it on their socials too. So there's swipe up like videos that they request from artists.
Are you focusing on SoundCloud? Like SoundCloud is still part of the conversation.
SoundCloud is still, yes, especially now that it is monetized.
Right.
Yes, and so many of our artists were discovered on SoundCloud or got their first big break on SoundCloud.
Of course.
So, we consider it like any other platform, and so there is still a lot of opportunity around them and a lot of marketing opportunities too. If fans have the app on their phone, we can do push notifications, we can do newsletters, we can do social coverage. So there's still opportunity for artists to get really cool coverage from SoundCloud, from Amazon, from Deezer. Deezer's another great example too. So Deezer is massive in France and still has a following, nowhere, near in the US as in France, but there's still opportunities to get playlist covers, to do really cool like mix takeovers and stuff like that.
Okay.
So we still look and ask for the opportunities where it makes sense for our artists.
Cool. Okay. So each DSP likes some other kind of creative stuff. Like Spotify has the visualizer or something that you'll get for that song,
so
right?
they have their Spotify Canvas. So that's a great example of an asset that we prepare in advance.
Call it Canvas?
It's called a Canvas. Okay. So basically it's a 10-second loop when you're playing the song within the app. And it's like a loop of the video, a loop of the lyrics, whatever it may be.
On the phone. Mobile only, right?
Yeah.
So do you have like... I know that people are listening to this right now. It's like, oh my gosh, this is so much, like so many different kinds of creative specific things. Like, is there a list anywhere? Is there?
Yeah, I add on. So I have like a list on my desktop.
You
of
have
like,
the list.
I have a list. All the product managers, y'all know.
Yeah. Okay.
We have, and so do like the digital team has their like checklist. Or did you get this? Did you get that? The creative team has a different checklist because so we make the cover art. All right, we've got that. We'll probably need a composite shot because if we get an opportunity for a billboard, let's say through to Spotify or YouTube does billboards, we want to have the image on hand ready to go of Steve and Maluma together or, any other artist. I saw Chelsea Cutler got like a really great billboard the same day that Steve and Maluma did. So having that ready, having social banners ready for all of the artists to be able to swap to all of their socials on day of release. Yeah. Any type of teasers ready with the pre-save link and stuff like that. So that's all like some of the creative, like the most standard creative that that you'll need. On the digital side, making sure so we've got the swipe up videos for Apple, we got the swipes for SoundCloud, Spotify in the UK is starting to implement it into their socials too. So maybe
like
it'll
swipe up for them,
for swipe up videos. So we've done it for some projects. And whatever else the DSPs might want or need. Many times they want the composite shot for a playlist cover or something like that. So, Steve and Maluma were on a playlist cover. I think it was maybe Viva Latino or Potentially, I don't remember.
Sure.
But we have the image.
You just have
ready to
that
go.
at the ready. Do you?
Everything at the ready.
Where do you host all this stuff? Is there like a folder in a Dropbox or something? And then
Yeah.
all the assets go there.
Yeah, Dropbox is a godsend.
Okay. Right.
You
So
know?
everybody just kind of pops it into the into Dropbox.
And
okay.
we're so heavily international that seems for us seems to be the tool that works most efficiently because our team from Canada, Germany, wherever can just go in there and there's the updated bio, there's all of the social banners ready to go, there's the press release that's approved and ready, and like there's a write-up about the song, a one sheet, the updates, the latest reports, and everybody can just like pull and the same information is available to everyone.